Hello, welcome to Economic Dispatch Section 4. We will set problem formulation to find the appropriate value of incremental cost, or lambda. The objective function is to minimize total production cost, subject to power balance constraint. Suppose there are two generators. Their cost functions are both nonlinear. Another equation is power balance constraint. The Lagrange equation is the summation of cost functions and the multiplication term of power balance constraint with lambda. Replace F1 and F2 with A, B, and C coefficient in the Lagrange equation. Then perform partial derivative of the Lagrange equation with respect to P1, P2, and lambda as shown in the screen. The optimum point occurs when the value of derivative is 0. So we set all partial derivatives to 0. Then we obtain equations on the right hand side. Rearrange equations. Then we obtain equations of P1, P2, and then we replace P1 and P2 in power balance constraint. Then we rearrange the equation again. We will obtain the appropriate lambda or incremental cost. After replacing B and C coefficient, we will get the value of lambda. Then we can calculate the output power P1 and P2. In conclusions, if there are two generators and their cost functions are given, we can calculate the appropriate value of lambda, and then we can calculate the output power P1 and P2, and we can check the answer with power balance constraint. And finally, we can calculate total production cost and average cost. Thank you for your attention. Please stay tuned for more clips.